Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to print a nozzle check pattern and how to clean the printhead on Epson ET-2710 model. This is from the 27 series of Epson EcoTank devices. First we will print a nozzle check pattern. How to print it? Press and hold the stop button, the triangle button, and press and hold for about 3 seconds the power button. The printer must be off. Release the buttons when the power button starts blinking. And now we are waiting for the printout. And as you see, there is problem with the black part, some minor problems with the colors, so we have to clean the printhead. How to clean it? When the printer is on, press and hold for about 4 or 5 seconds the stop button until the power button starts blinking, then release. And now the procedure for printhead cleaning has started. It takes about 4 or 5 minutes, and after that you will have a full working printer. So that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.